Prayagraj Express and Prayagraj Special. Prayagraj Express was already stationed at platform number 14. Prayagraj Express was arriving in platform number 16. When that announcement was made about Prayagraj Special, people who were waiting in platform 14 or boarding the train at platform 14 got confused that their train is now coming at platform 16 simply because of the similarity in names. Now think about it. The Railway Deputy Commissioner says there are enough officials handling the situation, enough railway officials deployed to tackle the crowds that are leaving for Kumbh at the New Delhi railway station, and yet this happens. So these enough number of officials did not understand that the similarity in names could cause confusion among people. They chose to take their job so lightly that they announced a Prayagraj Special. By the way, the railway announcements are not even heard clearly. The clarity of these microphones are not of today's level, and that's another question we must raise. They are hardly audible over the din and the bustle. And people obviously got confused that the Prayagraj Express is now going from platform 16. There was a mad rush. Sorry, this is not okay. And I'll tell you why this is not okay. Firstly, there is no margin of error for those officials who are handling the crowds in the New Delhi railway station. They should have well understood that a very small mistake can cause a huge disaster, and that's precisely what happened. This is not okay because you are taking human lives so lightly, and you know why you take it lightly? It's because after all, these are people who are hoping for a free ride. These are people who are rushing to get there. This is something that happens once in 144 years. There is a desperation to get there. So you take your jobs lightly. After all, these are people who are just hoping for a free ride. You don't care enough for their safety, and therefore it's not okay. It's also not okay because, in this country, we don't see accountability. This is not the first railway disaster. In all the previous cases, were there accountability fixed? Were the guilty punished? Were they convicted for negligence? The answer you will find is largely no. And when that happens, the problems persist. So sorry, this is simply not okay. And what is really not okay is to blame people for it. I can see statements coming from several officials saying people got confused. I mean, seriously, you're going to blame people for this? There were other trains also that were delayed, all going through Kumbh. Imagine the chaos. Imagine the pandemonium out there. And then this little costly mistake that happens. Sorry, this is simply not okay. This would not do. Human lives are precious. And for people to go through this in a country like ours that claim to make huge strides in technology and innovation, this is simply not okay. And what is also not okay is now to start a political blame game. Let's not make it a BJP Congress issue. Let's refrain from that entirely. To say that it's the BJP government that does not take action. Consecutive governments, successive governments have been negligent about fixing accountability. It is the taxpayers' money that go into the salaries of many of these railway officials. We need them to take their jobs far more seriously than they do. This is simply not okay.